Hi everybody, I'm Danni Dancer. Welcome to today's Brain Break, which is sponsored by Nikos. What we're going to do for our Brain Break today is take a look at how we can package gifts a little bit differently. So if we have something that we are planning to give to a loved one this holiday season, rather than wrapping it in paper, you can actually take some items you may already have around your house and make them a little bit fancier or maybe a little bit more festive. The two different containers we're going to look at today of how we can make them a little bit more snazzy are pretty simple. We're going to do one paper bag activity and one with a mason jar. For this activity, you need a paper bag, a piece of plastic like a Tupperware that it's okay for you to cut up, some scissors, and some tape. You also need some items that you can use to decorate. First, decide what shape you're going to cut into your bag. Using scissors, carefully cut out your shape. You may need an adult's help with this step. Next, you're going to cut out a square of plastic. It just needs to be large enough to fit behind the shape that you cut out. Next, tape your piece of plastic so that it goes inside your paper bag. There. And that's it. Now from here, you can decorate your bag using any other items you have around. Now let's move on to our next container. For this, you'll need a mason jar, some felt or fabric, puff balls, and tacky or craft glue. You'll also need a marker, some scissors, and a stapler. Remove the lid from the jar and place the circle on one of your pieces of felt. Trace around the jar's lid and use scissors to cut it out. Place this piece of the lid with the felt inside the other piece. Cover the part of the felt that you can see with your craft glue. Then glue your puff balls or pom-poms to the felt. Next, cut a strip of fabric that's just long enough to wrap around the lid. Staple the fabric in place. Use other fabric or pom-poms to decorate this piece. All right, your festive containers are now ready to fill with any gift you want to give. You could add some homemade cookies or maybe some candy you buy from the store. You can even write some special notes letting the person you're giving the gift to know how much you love them. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's Brain Break, sponsored by Nikos. If you liked this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so you can see more great videos from all of us here at Children's Museum Houston. Have a happy holiday season. We'll see you all next time. Bye.